Добрый вечер. We're talking about Russian adjectives and we've discussed the rules, we've discussed two exceptions, and we're gonna add one more exception. Last one. Yay, I know you're tired. Almost done here. So, let's summarize the rules first. Masculine adjectives have uy ending to describe masculine words. Feminine adjectives have aya endings to describe feminine nouns. And then neuter adjectives have oya endings to describe neuter nouns. The first exception is masculine adjectives with oy ending instead of uy because the ending is stressed. The second exception that we've discussed is when we're trying, also seen in masculine words, we're trying to add uy to our words, but the word happens to end in one of these 7 letters, and they don't want to see uy next to them. They're repelling magnets with uy. They take e instead, and that's the second exception. So we had Moskovsky as an example of that instead of uy, e, and everything else follows the rules. And now we're going to look at the last exception, and for that we're going to go to these phrases and switch from bad, плохой, to good. So let's say good pencil, good pen, and good exercise. So let's start with pen. Ручка. Ручка ends in a, so feminine noun. We need ая ending for the adjective. Хорошая ручка. Now let's discuss the pencil and say a good pencil. So карандаш ends in a consonant. She is a consonant. So we want to add uy, but we're remembering that sha is one of those 7 letters that have a mind of their own, and they're very capricious, don't like uy, take e instead. So that is why хороший with e, not uy, хороший карандаш. And here is your third exception. Хорошее упражнение. Упражнение ends in ye, so theoretically we should be seeing oye as the ending, but we see ye. And your textbook says this is where the second spelling rule applies. We already have 7-letter spelling rule, and now it's a 5-letter spelling rule. So my advice to you right now is if you get the 7-letter spelling rule, for now it's perfect and excellent. Don't worry about the second spelling rule. Just remember that this particular word has ye ending in the neuter form instead of oye. That's all. That will be much easier for you to do right now. And this is my last slide where I summarize everything for you one more time before I say до свидания. So правила, rules. When I have a masculine noun, and masculine nouns have a consonant at the end, sometimes a soft sign, and there is a group of words that does not end in a consonant or soft sign, but still those words are still considered masculine because the meaning is masculine, like papa. So masculine nouns, when described with an adjective, will have adjectives that end in uy or oy if oy is stressed. So if I want to say good father, хороший папа. If I want to say kind father, добрый папа, добрый день, добрый or хороший карандаш. So any masculine word will have these endings for adjectives to describe them. And also happens with masculine words when I try to add uy to the rest of the word, to the root, and I see that the rest of the word, the last letter before the ending is one of these, then I can't really add uy. Uy does not get along with these letters, so I'll have to switch to e, like in хороший. Хорош, the root, before the ending, the last letter is sha, so I can't put u next to it. I need to switch to e, so e. Feminine nouns end in a or ya, sometimes soft sign, and then the words that describe them will have aya ending. Neuter nouns end in o or ye, and the describing words for those will end in oye. Это все. We'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you for listening and staying with me for so long. Hope you learned a lot and I clarified things for you.